it seemed like two completely different markets, right, when it came to the broader markets and the benchmark indices. But as you mentioned, steel stocks were the star performers in today's trading session, and undoubtedly the metals index was the top gainer in the top sectoral gainer there. Tata Steel, GSPL, APL, Apollo, all of them ending with gains of anywhere between 4 to 5%. A pretty good day there for the metal stocks after a bit of a lull we've seen in recent times. The other sector that did well today was autos, and those stocks also did very well with some of the policy decisions being made and some upgrades coming in for the auto ancillary stocks, with Sona BLW, Tata Motors, M&M, all of them seeing gains of anywhere between 1.5% to over 3%. But on the flip side, IT, as you were highlighting, sold off a bit more towards the close of trade, and that contributed and that kept the index gains in check. That Coforge, after the fundraise, they're 7% lower for Coforge, and that took other mid-cap IT names along with it. Persistent Systems there, and Infosys and TCS falling to the day's low towards the close, and Emphasis as well contributing to the losing end. Mixed trends emerging in real estate stocks. Macrotech, after some pretty bullish commentary from Jefferies, ending almost 8% higher. Soba also had a good day. But on the flip side, Prestige Estates fell for the 7th day in a row today. Phoenix Mills and Godrej Properties also contributing towards the downside. A couple of stocks that I want to highlight, though. Zensar Tech was bucking the trend in the mid-cap IT space. That stock ended 5.5% higher, and the third straight day of gains. And lastly, Credo Brands. That stock had a spike in today's trading session, almost 10% higher in today's session. But the bigger takeaway here is that this gained after a 9-day losing streak, during which it fell almost 25%. So lots of movers on the broader markets. Then back to you.
Hormaz, thanks very much for that.